Here's 902 South 19th Street, right in the corner of 19 and Christian. Going in. So here we'll see the huge living room. There's half bathroom. And here's dining room and the kitchen. Lots of cabinets. Lots of cabinets. Cooking stove. Big refrigerator. Everything is brand new. Big freezer. Has a small backyard. Not large, but very manageable. And even a little garden for fresh tomatoes and potatoes. Now we're gonna go to finished basement. With the big washer and dryer. Very nice. And here's a full bathroom in the basement with the standing shower. And I'm gonna go check out upstairs. Here is first bedroom. Pretty big size, definitely can fit queen or even king size bed. And there's a closet. Here's ceiling fan. Going into second room, which is very small. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 small steps with the width. So you can only fit like a full-size bed in his. Ceiling fan. And there's also a closet. And now we're going to the bathroom. Double sink, cabinets, and there's a toilet, and there is gigantic tub, jacuzzi tub, and standing shower. And here's the small, very deep closet, And there's the largest bedroom, which is very, very spacious and can definitely fit king size bed and dressers and a desk. There's a closet, ceiling fan. Okay. There was 902 South 19th Street, 2200, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Thank you.